You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with linear inequalities with one unknown. The final result is -4 smaller than 6. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Expand the parentheses. Simplify the arithmetic. Group like terms. Combine like terms. Group all x terms on the left side of the inequality. Subtract 5x from both sides. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Plot the solution on a coordinate grid. And so the final result is -4 smaller than 6.